Hey y'all, today we are going to be grilling out some chicken, and instead of just the usual barbecue sauce, I'm just getting my husband just to do straight up chicken thighs, just grilled. So I decided to show you pasta and pasta salad, and I'm going to show you also a peanut sauce that you can make to go over your grilled chicken. That is from another website, and I'll try to leave any links down below, that way you can find everything. So let's get started. I boiled some mini shell pasta, but you could use any of it. I think last time I made this, I used a whole 16-ounce box, and I did that same thing this time. So 16 ounces of cooked pasta, any shape. We did rotini last time. I tried to find, you know, some more like little specialty pastas, but our Walmart store just doesn't have it. So we just went with the mini shells. This is a really, really good salad. So, you know, when I seen her make it on her channel, I was like, we've got to do that because that just sounds delicious. So I took a whole container of some grape tomatoes and sliced those. So you add that. I did about a half of a red bell pepper. So you can add that in there. And I tried to chop them as small as possible. The first time I did it, there were chunks, big chunks, and we didn't like that. I'm also going to add cucumber. And I tried to slice it, you know, not finely on the cucumber, but as small as I could get it. So before you put anything else in here, you need to kind of stir it a little. And we're going to do this for the whole family. I think on her channel she did separate servings, you know, one for her husband, that were, you know, what they each liked. And I wish I would have got some red onion and put in here. That would have been good, but not everybody likes it, so I did. Artichoke hearts, these were canned. You can get them in the canned vegetable section of Walmart. And I just took them and kind of chopped them. They're kind of a little bit difficult to chop. They were so good. And I did not get the marinated type, which I believe are marinated in oil. These are just in water. So you just chop those up and stir it up. Okay, so to me, this is the most important part. You could use Italian dressing, I guess, and this kind of tastes similar. This has got Parmesan cheese in it and a lot more garlic, and it just is really good. So give it a good shake, and you need to add it and taste it, until you get it how you like it. I think it took about a quarter of a cup or so, maybe a third, last time I made this. And you can just try it and taste it and see if it's enough for you. And then you need to put some salt and pepper in it, and I'm going to put some kosher salt. And I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Once I find my pepper. Okay. I'm going to tell you what, this did not last the last time I made it. And my husband said, you know, we have pasta salad all the time here in the South that's mayonnaise based. This was a great change, and we love the fresh vegetables. So thank you, Jessica, for sharing the recipe. Really love that. So we got some chicken on the grill, just grilled up with salt and pepper, nothing special. And I'm going to show you the recipe for the peanut sauce to pour over the chicken. And I'll be right back. Okay, so the peanut sauce for the chicken. Now you don't have to put it on the chicken if you don't want to. So I'm going to serve it on the side. You need 1.5 cups of creamy peanut butter. It could be natural peanut butter. This is just regular old Jif. But you could use almond butter as well. And yes, it's not my own recipe. This is somebody else's recipe. So it's actually for the chicken that she makes with it. So it's not exactly for what we're doing it before, but I think it'll be fine. Now she calls for fresh ginger, and all I have is powdered. So I'm going to try my best to half what she says. She says 3 teaspoons. I'm going to just do a heaping, a little bit of a heaping teaspoon. She also says 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. Got 1, 2, 3. The recipe also calls for some chopped up jalapeno. 3 tablespoons. Okay, you need 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, and now we need 6 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. It's not the same as distilled white vinegar or apple cider. You need to remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we need 3 tablespoons of lime juice. 1, 3. Okay. Get 6 tablespoons of water. Just 1 second. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put, she calls for an artificial sweetener in this, so it's supposed to be sugar free. I'm just gonna put my artificial sweetener in there that we all like. But you could put honey in here if you wanted to. That would work. And you're supposed to sweeten it to taste. So, and if you want to put sugar in it, you probably could too. Okay, so my only concern about real sugar would be the gritty part. So if you're not really worried about that, or maybe you could use powdered sugar maybe. If you wanted to put a sugar in there. Now, you can put this in a food processor or magic bullet or anything like that to make it smooth. But I was able to get it smooth with the whisk. So, and I'm not really worried about the jalapeno peppers or anything like that. And the garlic. That's it. It's just a peanut sauce. And usually your chicken would be like an Asian chicken. So we just did this just to try to see. Alright, be back in a few minutes and show you everything plated up. Okay, well, here's the finished product. Grilled chicken, peanut sauce right here, and the pasta salad. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you later.